Hello everyone. My voice is audible to you guys. If yes, please type yes in chat box. Okay, pretty much. Thank you. Thank you. Hello everyone. Once again, this is Shubham from Fires team. Welcomes you to our today's webinar on the Algosys platform. We hope you are all keeping yourselves safe and healthy through this challenging time in our country and doing well. So with that, let's get started. In today's webinar, we are going to experience the Algosys platform and its exclusive features that will empower you as a trader. So as you are aware that to make algo trading accessible to retail traders in India, we have joined hands with top-notch fintechs and platforms. Today, we are glad to introduce Algosys platform to Fire's clients. Algosys is a easy-to-handle, comprehensive, cloud-based system which facilitates traders' algo needs. So through the Algosys system, live trades are being fired from the across the charting platforms and using Fire's free and robust trading API. So you can pretty much fire your orders from any of the platforms. So we have with us Mr. Samrat Chaudhary and the team to take you through the platform. Samrat is associated with Fires for a good long time, and he's very enthusiastic about his idea of Algosys for traders. So well, let's hear them out. Yeah, Samrat, you can join.
Thanks, Shubham, for this wonderful opportunity. And I welcome you all. I'm seeing people are still joining. We are seeing a count of around 200 and close to 250 people. Maybe in next 2 minutes, we will start the session. And friends, before we start the session, I'm going to post a link over here because out of this audience of 250 plus people who are into algo, we need to figure out what kind of a, like a trading mindset you are having. So for that purpose, I'm just pinging one link. At the same time, I'm also sharing my screen. Just see, let me know if you are able to see the screen properly. The link that I had shared, if you click on that link, you will be getting a page like this, the one that I am projecting on my screen. Is my screen audible? Screen visible? Great. So I request you all to please click on the link that I just pasted in the chat window. And after clicking on that link, this is the question that you will see. There is only one question and it's an anonymous quiz, you can say. When I say it's an anonymous quiz, it means it is not going to take your email ID. It's not going to ask your phone number or anything. Just one single question which asks that what category of a trader are you? So by this, I mean, see, there are various kind of people who love trading and who are into algo. So I make my own strategy and trade for myself. So this is for those people who make their own strategy. They may be using some algo system or may not be using the algo system. They may be doing it manually or through some mechanics. So for them, they can click over here the checkbox. There are people who follow my strategy and trade with me. So this means I'm sure there will be many strategists in this crowd of close to 270 people that I am seeing now, who are strategists themselves and who are the people who make others follow their strategies. There can be registered investment advisors in this crowd who give you and provide, like signals and alerts to their clients. So if you are one of them, you can click the second one. And if you follow other strategy, like say, for example, there are many people many clients of Fires who follow others. You can follow some YouTuber or you can follow some algo system. Specifically, it can be anyone's system. This is that you do a trading. If that is the scenario, then click on this. Okay, so it might be a possibility that you are having all the 3 trades in you. You can click that as well. So just click on it so that I can get a feel of how the audience is, and accordingly, because like Algosys is such a platform which serves everyone. This three segment of people, the three category of people that I have just called out as a trader, uh, it has the potential to equally serve all these three segments. And for that purpose, I'm doing this. In the meanwhile, as people are joining in, I'm seeing that the count is going up to close to 280. So friends, if you have just joined, you have not missed anything. We have not yet started the session. I just pinged the link in the chat, and I request you all to fill in the answer. Click on that link and answer to this question. Okay, I can see responses coming from 166, 67 people. Let me see how it is, how the graph is looking like. 173 responses has come. I make my own strategy and trade for myself. 134, 76% of the people who are in this session, okay, out of them, their interest lies on this. I make my own strategy and trade for myself. Excellent. People follow my strategy and trade for myself. There are 27 people. So there are 27 people who are strategists within us who make others follow. Fantastic. I follow other strategy to trade. It's like 44% of the population. So there can be an overlapping thing. A person can be doing both or the three. Great. Let's see. Let's the vote come. Let's the thing come for maybe 3 more minutes. We will start the session dot at 3:10 till the time people are logging in and till the time people are actually casting their opinion over here. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Great. So the feel that we are getting over here is majority of you who is here, you are you are, like you make your own strategy and you are very, very keen on trading on yourself, self-made strategy. That's fantastic. Let the voting system continue if you have not voted yet, because I am seeing the count now reaching to around 300, very close to 300. And we are just 2 minutes short of 3:10 p.m. dot. At 3:10 we will start the session, and as I start the session, I will come to this part, which will, like you will understand that why I'm doing this and how it is going to actually help you all. Fantastic, fantastic. Lovely. So 296 participants and 219 responses. That's fantastic. It's close to 3:10. We will not waste any more time in understanding our audience pool. It's quite clear in front of us that today we have 76, more than 70, more than 3/4 of the population here with us who are keen on making their own strategy and trade on using on that. That's amazing. And thanks to Fires for enabling the Fires API 2.0, which is actually enabling people who are keen on this sort of mindset. So with this, I'm starting this session. My name is Samrat Chaudhary, and I'm the founder of Algosys. With us today, I have my partners, Mr. Mandar Aryaman, Mr. Nitin Kapoor, and Mr. Ashish Chakravarti. So we four are a team of like young enthusiastic people. Many of you must be knowing Mr. Nitin Kapoor because in the Fires API discussion channel, which is there in Telegram, he is very, very active, and he most of the times you will see him responding to your technical tough queries, which which is not my cup of tea. So that's us. We are a small team, a 4-member team. We are based out of various parts of India. I personally am in Mumbai. My partner Ashish is in Kolkata. Mandar is also in Mumbai, and Mr. Nitin is in Jaipur. So we have a spread across team. There is a reason behind it. Because of we are having a spread across team from various part of India. We are having our centers in various places in India that helps us to build our own sustainable model as well from a technology standpoint. So coming to Algosys. Before I come to Algosys and before I actually talk to you through all this, I would like you all to see this disclaimer. No matter whichever tool you are using, no matter you are trading in your own strategy or you are following someone else's strategy, you must know that trading in stock market is a matter of risk. And we have developed this portal over here, this web-based, cloud-based algo trading system, which is called Algosys. And it is a technology-oriented product. And whenever there is a technology thing, 99.9% there is going to be everything bug-free, and also, like there will be a seamless experience. But again, there might be a scenario, there is a faint chance always there for a technology failure, no matter however strong the technology may be. We have seen instances where National Stock Exchange were shut down for some few hours in a day. The world's largest exchange has to be shut down because of some technological glitches. So that is always there. We have to live with it. But that should not happen most of the times. 99% of the time, everything should work smooth. Only for that 1% time, there may be some problem. So this, as I'm seeing, the count is also increasing. I'm seeing more than 320, close to 350 people have already logged in. And I think the mindset is still here. The audience pool is remaining static at this. So periodically, I will come to this page. Today, the agenda is what you are going to learn from here, or what you are going to take away from here is you will definitely get to know about who we are, what Algosys is, and we are going to make you explore Algosys. Not only we are going to make you explore Algosys, we are going to give you a very hands-on experience on feeling what Algosys is. I would request you all, in case if you are using a laptop to log in, it is fantastic. If you are using a handheld device, very soon we will be pinging you one link. And kindly click on that link. You have to click on that link. This is not the survey link, the second link that we will come in some time. And as you click on it, you will be able to create your own account with Algosys for free. Okay. So the question comes that who we are. So from where we came, right? That is an essential. What is your root? So here is our root. We are in this industry since 2018. The name of the company is Traders Destination Academy LLP. So we are a government registered entity. We are an LLP. And as Shubham has mentioned that we have been with FIRES for quite a long time. There was a time in 2018 when I took an interview of Mr. Tejas, and it's there, like we had heard it saying that and he guided the young enthusiastic traders on what should be done and what should not be done. Okay, so we had a very fantastic relationship with FIRES. My special thanks to Mr. Tejas, Mr. Yashas, and the whole team who helped us in this long journey of developing our own in-house algo trading platform. So in the year Jan 2019, we became the entity, which is a registered entity as a LLP, Traders Destination Academy. And post that, at the same time, we started the Algo Smart VPS, and we started the work on Algosys. So initially, the thought was to come up with a simple mobile application, but then eventually, with time, we evolved and we came up with a web-based algo trading platform called Algosys. We had also launched Algo Arena in November 2020. What is Algo Arena? Algo Arena means there are people, like as people were saying that they want to code, they want to trade in their own strategies. So we help people code their strategy. So that is Algo Arena, in which people approach us and we try to guide them in that aspect. So we had launched these two verticals in November 2020. And it gives me immense pride in saying that today there are more than 400 strategies that we had coded for people in this last 7 months only. We had a dedicated team under the leadership of Mr. Ashish Chakravarti. He leads a team, and in his team, and there are many people who are freelancers, there are dedicated people, there are employees to us who work day in, day out in helping their clients, making the client happy, coding their strategy as per their wish. And as I mentioned, as you have seen in the very first slide itself, we do that coding in all sort of platform, be it in AmiBroker, MT4, Python, like whichever platform you are interested in, and definitely the TradingView. So that's one part of our story. The second thing, the second happy facts that I want to share with you is the Algo Smart VPS. That thing you are seeing over here. Algo Smart VPS is a VPS, which is a virtual private server. And this we have given to, there has been more than 500 subscriptions that we had rolled out since we had launched. There are many people who have been trading using it, and there are various platforms available in the market, right? Like Algosys is a web-based platform, but there are various standalone platforms in which you require to install those platforms in your local system. So in such situations, you need to use VPS. So we have this vertical, which is called the AlgoSmart VPS, and we have more than 500 happy subscribers. So that's about us. You should know who you are talking to, who is that person, Samrat, coming and presenting. So that's about us, and that's where our root is. And just I thought like sharing this with you. Now coming to this product, which is called Algosys. Now, what is Algosys? What is the meaning of Algosys? I want to just explain this to you. And as I explain the meaning of Algosys, you will understand why we have named it Algosys, why we are saying that we are empowering you, and why we are saying that this is the simplest algo trading platform in India as of now. Definitely the name, as it suggests, ALG stands for algorithmic, SYS stands for system. This button over here in the middle, green colored button, shows control. It means that the control is given to you as a trader, as a user, as a learner, because you are the one who controls the system. It's not that the system controls you. It's definitely a cloud-based thing. That's why that shape of a cloud over there. And this API bridge. What is an API bridge? We all know. It's something which connects between your smart trading system with the client, with the FIRES API, the FIRES interface. So hence it's a bridge. It's nothing other than a cloud bridge. But this is something, this whole setup is something when it's integrated in such a way, giving control to you. And when you are practicing it and following it with consistency day in, day out, you are going to get growth. Why I'm saying you are going to get great growth? Why are we interested in algo or any sort of thing? Whoever the audience is over here, I'm seeing close to 350 people has joined, taking out time on such a weekend. And all of you are keen on growth, your financial growth, your growth for your wealth, growth of your learning, growth of your knowledge. And the growth will come only when you will be doing anything consistently with control on it and with a dedication. So that is Algosys. That is the thought behind designing this logo, which is called Algosys. And this is the meaning of Algosys. Okay. So now with this, let me come to the practical part of it. I don't like much of theoretical things. I personally prefer things which is very, very practical, so that you can get a very, very first hands-on experience. So as I'm seeing, the number is touching 350. As I was telling you some time back, that there is going to be a link that I'm going to paste in the chat window. So here is that link that I'm going to paste right now. And I request you all, please click on this link. The moment you click on this link, you will be getting into a page which will show something like this. Okay, if you are entering, if you already are aware of Algosys, if you have come across Algosys in your past, and if you had already explored Algosys, then it may take you to your original login using the same email ID that you would have logged in. In such a scenario, kindly log out from your current account in which you have been logging in, and log in using a fresh set of email address and mobile number. So as you enter your page over here, this is the first page that you are going to see, the thing on the left hand side that I am showing you. So over here, you have to enter your email ID, but you will, as a first time user, have to register yourself. Kindly use a valid email ID and a valid mobile number, because we, as a process, just to verify and validate that the user who is coming is a real user and not a spammer. So what we do is we send an OTP to your email ID. So kindly fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, and a valid mobile number. And you can use this. These are two optional fields, city and broker ID. And then you have to click on submit. The moment you click on submit, you will be receiving an email in your email account with the login ID and password. Today, tomorrow, anytime during the day, you can actually explore using that login ID password Algosys. Okay, so as I am proceeding the presentation, the next step of this presentation is going to be real view how Algosys looks like, what is the Algosys landing page looking like, and where the Algosys trading page looking like. So as you keep doing this thing at the back end, gradually as you are filling it in, I will request my partner, Mr. Ashish Chakravarti, to come forward, and Ashish is going to be presenting you the pages of Algosys, the system of Algosys, which we are saying as the most simple and easiest platform so far. So Ashish, I invite you, please come on the stage, and I will be stopping sharing, and Ashish will start sharing his screen now.
Thank you, Samrat. Am I audible?
Yes, you are loud and clear.
Okay, so मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि most of the presentation अपनी मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों को मिक्स करूंगा, क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ मैसेज दिख रहा है कि थोड़ा हिंदी में डिस्कशन हो जाए तो अच्छा है। तो मैं दोनों को मिक्स करके आपको डिस्कस ये प्रेजेंटेशन देने की कोशिश करूंगा और आपको दिखाऊंगा कि एज ए ट्रेडर और फ्रॉम ए कोर ऑफ माय हार्ट एज ए ट्रेडर ये Algosys सॉफ्टवेयर इतने सिंपल क्यों है, क्योंकि हमने काफी सारे सॉफ्टवेयर यूज किए होंगे, लेकिन जो हमने Algosys सॉफ्टवेयर बनाने के पीछे जो मेन रीजन था कि एक एल्गो ट्रेडिंग सॉफ्टवेयर कितने कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, उसमें कितने सारे ऑप्शंस रहते हैं, और एज ए सिंपल ट्रेडर, एज ए सिंपल यूजर मेरे को उतने सारे ऑप्शंस को एक्सप्लोर करने की ना कोई नॉलेज है, ना मैं इतना टेक सेवी हूँ। तो क्यों ना ऐसा कोई एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जाए जो सिंपल हो, रोबस्ट हो, और मेरा जो रिक्वायरमेंट है एग्जैक्टली मेरा जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो फुलफिल हो जाए। हमें चाहिए जितना उतना अगर मेरे को मिल जाए प्लेटफॉर्म से, तो इससे ज्यादा हमें और क्या चाहिए। तो डेफिनेटली हमने इसके लिए फायर्स के साथ हाथ जोड़े हैं और ये प्लेटफॉर्म को आपके लिए बनाया। तो अभी मैं मेरा ये प्लेटफॉर्म को आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करूंगा कि कैसे एक सिंपल प्लेटफॉर्म से आप आपके कोई भी स्ट्रेटेजी को एक स्मार्ट चार्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करके, लाइक एमी ब्रोकर, लाइक MT4, ट्रेडिंग व्यू, पाइथन, एक्सेल, कुछ भी इस टाइप की कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म की यूज करके कैसे आप इसको ऑटोमेट कर सकते हो, एक ऑटोमेटेड ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम बना सकते हो। और डेफिनेटली फायर्स की जो रोबस्ट वर्जन 2 API है उसके थ्रू अगर ये ट्रेडिंग करेंगे तो आपकी एक्सपीरियंस कैसा हो सकता है, तो सारे चीज मैं आपको अभी दिखाने जाऊंगा। तो लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन।
And friends, in the meanwhile, if you have any question, you can type in. आप लोग type कर सकते हो question in the chat window. As Ashish is presenting, the other members of the group will be, presenting. I mean, answering your questions.
So this is our interface. एक simple interface है। आपको trade.algosys.co.in में login करना है। When you log in, you will get this window. So before that आपको Algosys में एक अकाउंट होना चाहिए, and for that सम्राट ने ऑलरेडी आपको एक लिंक शेयर किया है, उस लिंक में जाके खुद को रजिस्टर कीजिए। रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद उस पोर्टल में एंटर कीजिए और वहां पर आपकी फ्री ट्रायल या इसकी जो पेड वर्जन उसको लेने की सारे ऑप्शंस है। एज फॉर नाउ आप फ्री ट्रायल को एक्टिवेट कर सकते हैं, और फ्री ट्रायल जैसे ही आप एक्टिवेट करेंगे आपके पास इसकी लॉगिन एंड आईडी एंड पासवर्ड और सारे डिटेल्स आपके मेल पे पहुंच जाएंगे, एंड थ्रू दैट क्रेडेंशियल्स यू कैन लॉग इन टू योर Algosys अकाउंट। सो मैं मेरे Algosys अकाउंट में लॉग इन कर रहा हूँ। दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड डिस्क्लेमर अबाउट आवर, आप इसको रीड कर सकते हैं, या आप भी जब लॉगिन करेंगे ये भी आपके पास भी आएगा। एंड इसको एक्सेप्ट करके जैसे मैं लॉगिन करता हूं तो इंटरफेस कुछ ऐसा दिखता है, एकदम सिंपल सा एक इंटरफेस है। इसमें अभी आपको मैं स्टार्टिंग से बता देता हूं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें जो दिखने को मिल रहा है, इट इज आवर डेली सेटिंग्स पेज। डेली सेटिंग्स पेज मींस आपके जो भी स्ट्रैटेजीज होंगे, स्ट्रैटेजीज हम लोग यहाँ पर नहीं बनाएंगे, स्ट्रैटेजीज चलेंगे आपके एमी ब्रोकर पे, स्ट्रैटेजीज चलेंगे आपके MT4 पे, लेकिन वो स्ट्रैटेजी को हम लोग Algosys के साथ इंटीग्रेट जैसे ही करेंगे तो इसके लिए हमें स्ट्रैटेजी मैनेजमेंट सेक्शन में आना पड़ेगा। जैसे ही मेरा स्ट्रैटेजी मैनेजमेंट सेक्शन में आके मैं कोई स्ट्रैटेजी को लिंक कर लूंगा मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ, तो वो स्ट्रैटेजी मेरे को यहाँ पर दिख जाएगा। मतलब मेरा एक स्ट्रैटेजी है जिसमें मैं ये एक इक्विटी स्ट्रैटेजी है जिसमें मेरे को स्टार्टिंग में एक जो फील्ड दिख रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड मार्जिन पर ट्रेड। व्हाट इज मार्जिन पर ट्रेड? सपोज आपके पास 1 लाख कैपिटल है और आप चाहते हैं कि दिन में 5 स्टॉक में ट्रेड करें या 10 स्टॉक में ट्रेड करें, एंड आप चाहते हैं कि यू वांट टू डिवाइड दिस 1 लाख कैपिटल इनटू 10 डिफरेंट स्टॉक्स। सो अगर मेरे पास 1 लाख कैपिटल है और मैं कोई भी लिवरेज नहीं ले रहा हूँ, मैं एक सिंपल आपको एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, मेरे पास 1 लाख कैपिटल है, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी लिवरेज। सो मेरे को अगर 10 स्टॉक्स में ट्रेड करना है तो मेरे लिए सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन क्या है कि 1 लाख कैपिटल को मैं 10 स्टॉक्स में डिवाइड कर दूं। सो मेरे लिए एक एक स्टॉक्स के लिए मैं 1 लाख मतलब 10,000 अमाउंट मैं इसमें सेटअप कर सकता हूँ। लेकिन उसके पहले जो मेरा काम है, सबसे पहले मेरे ये एल्गोसिस प्लेटफॉर्म को हमें लिंक करना है फायर्स की मेरे अकाउंट के साथ। मेरा जो फायर्स में अकाउंट है उसके साथ वी नीड टू लिंक दिस एल्गोसिस अकाउंट सो दैट whenever there is a signal, ये ऑटोमेटिकली थ्रू द फायर्स एपीआई वर्जन 2 फायर्स के पास ये पहुंच जाए और आपकी ट्रेडिंग हो जाए। तो इसके लिए हमें लॉग इन टू फायर्स, ये जो बटन दिख रहा है इसमें क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही हम इसमें क्लिक करेंगे मेरे पास फायर्स की जो इनके जो ऑथेंटिकेशन पेज है ये मेरे लिए ओपन होता है। यहाँ पर मैं मेरा डिटेल्स के साथ मैं लॉग इन करूंगा। जैसे मैं लॉग इन करूंगा तो मेरे लिए एक सबमिट करते हैं, इसको आगे बढ़ते हैं। जैसे सबमिट हो जाएगा मेरे अकाउंट लिंक हो गया। जैसे लिंक हो गया, योर कनेक्शन विथ फायर्स इज गुड, इसका मतलब आपके साथ फायर्स की एपीआई कनेक्शन सक्सेसफुली एस्टेब्लिश्ड हो गया है। आपको यहाँ पर इनिशियल फंड भी दिख रहा है। दैट मींस नाउ एल्गोसिस इज रेडी टू कम्युनिकेट विथ फायर्स रिगार्डिंग एनी रिलेटेड ऑफ ट्रेड्स। अभी ये रेडी है ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए। अब मेरे को अगर ट्रेडिंग करना है तो मेरे कैपिटल की जो मैंने बात कर रहा था, दिस इज आवर मनी मैनेजमेंट प्लान। तो हम लोग डेफिनेटली मनी मैनेजमेंट बहुत ऐसे हो सकते हैं, लाइक क्वांटिटी फ्रॉम एक्सपोजर और क्वांटिटी फ्रॉम रिस्क, ये सारे मैं आगे चल के आपको दिखाऊंगा। एज ऑफ नाउ मेरे पास जो पेज है, इस पेज में मैं बाद में आता हूँ। पहले आपको ये दिखाता हूँ कि मैं एक स्ट्रैटेजी को एमी ब्रोकर के साथ या MT4 के साथ, मैं यहाँ पर अभी आज एग्जांपल जो दिखाऊंगा वो आपको एमी ब्रोकर के साथ दिखा रहा हूँ कि एक स्ट्रैटेजी को एमी ब्रोकर के साथ कैसे लिंक कर सकते हैं। तो आते हैं स्ट्रैटेजी मैनेजमेंट पेज पे। नाउ दिस इज आवर स्ट्रैटेजी मैनेजमेंट पेज, जहां पर मैं जाके कोई भी स्ट्रैटेजी को क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ। व्हेन वी क्रिएट न्यू स्ट्रैटेजी, हमें ऐसा एक विंडो दिखने को मिलेगा एंड आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा कि एक ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे स्ट्रैटेजी कोड यहाँ पर जनरेट हो रहा है। ये स्ट्रैटेजी कोड ही मेरे को हेल्प करेगा टू कनेक्ट दिस एल्गोसिस विथ माय एमी ब्रोकर और विथ माय MT4 और विथ माय ट्रेडिंग व्यू एंड और जो भी चार्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म अवेलेबल है एल्गोसिस के साथ। तो मैं स्ट्रैटेजी के एक डिस्प्ले नेम यहाँ पर दे सकता हूँ। स्ट्रैटेजी कौन सी टाइप की स्ट्रैटेजी है, मेरा जो स्ट्रैटेजी जो ट्रेड होगा क्या NSE पे मतलब इक्विटी पे होगा, इज इट NFO बेस्ड, दैट मींस ऑप्शंस एंड फ्यूचर्स में ट्रेड करना है, और CDS में ट्रेड करना है, और M6 में ट्रेड करना है। सो आपको ये सिलेक्ट करके देना है, एल्गोसिस को बताना है कि भाई जब सिग्नल आए आपको ट्रेड किस में करना है। तो आई नीड टू ट्रेड इन NSE एंड नाउ माय प्रोडक्ट टाइप इज might be MIS की मेरे को इंट्राडे करना है, और आई नीड टू ट्रेड विद कवर ऑर्डर, और आई नीड टू ट्रेड विद ब्रैकेट ऑर्डर, और आई नीड टू ट्रेड पोजिशनल, हमें पोजिशनल ट्रेड करना है। तो चारों ऑप्शन आपके सामने है। इफ यू वांट टू ट्रेड इन इंट्राडे, क्लिक ऑन इंट्राडे। आफ्टर दैट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द एल्गोसिस, ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर जो मैं आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूँ। आपने आज तक आपने जितने भी लोग एल्गो ट्रेडिंग, स्पेशली अपने खुद के स्ट्रेटेजी से एल्गो ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, सपोज यू हैव ए प्लान टू ट्रेड निफ्टी 50 स्टॉक्स, आपके पास कोई एक स्कैनर है जो निफ्टी 50 स्टॉक्स को स्कैन करेगा और उसके हिसाब से सिग्नल जनरेट करेगा। नाउ नॉर्मली जो भी आम सॉफ्टवेयर मार्केट में अभी मिलता है, इन जनरल मोस्ट ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर में आपको क्या करने पड़ता है कि आपको सिंबल्स की एक वॉच लिस्ट क्रिएट करने पड़ते हैं कि आपको कौन कौन सिंबल पे ट्रेड करना है, और एवरी सिंबल्स के साथ आपको काफी सारे सेटअप मैनुअली करने पड़ता है। तभी जाके आगे चल के आपके एमी ब्रोकर या MT4 से अगर वो पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक्स पे सिग्नल आए तभी आपकी ट्रेड हो सकता है। सपोज यू नीड टू ट्रेड इन SBIN, बट अगर SBIN आपके वॉच लिस्ट में नहीं है तो आप ट्रेड नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि सिग्नल पास ही नहीं होगा। हमने ये सारे प्रोसीड्यूर को ऑटोमेट कर दिया। कैसे ऑटोमेट किया? हाँ
Ashish ji, sorry to disturb and
Yes.
break you in between, but we are getting many requests which says that there are many people who do not understand Hindi at all.
Okay.
So if we can concentrate more on English, and then when I will be presenting, I will try to cover it in Hindi also in some parts. Okay. So request you to switch over to English, please.
So
Thank you.
no, then okay, thank you. So this is the strategy management part where we will get our strategy code automatically. We can define some strategy name, and this name will be displayed on your daily settings page definitely. And what is my strategy type? Whether I need to trade in NSE in equities, or I need to trade in NFO, or I need to trade in CDS means currency, or I need to trade in MCX. So you need to select the proper strategy type while you are creating your strategy. आपको आपके proper strategy type यहाँ पर select करना है. Next is product type. If you wish to trade with intraday or with cover order or bracket order or CNC, you need to choose the proper product type. As of now, I am selecting MIS intraday. Now here is the vendor name. Why this vendor name? What is this actually? Suppose you are using AmiBroker or you are using TradingView or MT4. So if you are using AmiBroker, you know that there are a couple of data vendor available in the market. I will not take all the names. Say कोई भी एक data vendor, काफी सारे data vendor market में available है. So you need to take some data subscription to run your AmiBroker. So now every data vendor, they might have some different symbol name types. Someone likes SBIN.NSC, someone would be SBIN. There might be different symbol name type in FN, especially in FNO. Sometimes it would be Nifty_I, or sometimes it can be Nifty-I. Sometimes it could be Nifty with followed by the date, followed by, if you are trading in options, there could be a big name like Nifty followed by the date or expiry date, then strike price, then PEC. So different symbol type. Now we have यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया कि जितने अवेलेबल डेटा वेंडर है मार्केट में, हमने सारे की जो डेटा फॉर्मेट है, we have made a centralized symbol server, so that whenever you send any symbol, any signal from any of such data vendor like SLPix, AmiFeed, AmiRT data, FinTech, GDFL, Trade Monolive. This is Trade Monolive and FinTech is for MT4%. TradingView, True Data or Valnet. कोई भी डेटा वेंडर को you can integrate. It is a automatic process. You don't need to create any watch list. अगर आपको Nifty 500 stocks में भी trade करना, if you wish to trade whether in Nifty 500, you have a scanner with which can scan up to 500 stocks. Now in general, you need to create some watch list in your algo trading bridge or algo trading software, but it is watch list free. आप कोई भी स्टॉक्स में ट्रेड कर सकते हो विद इन निफ्टी 500. इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली सेंड द सिग्नल एंड आवर स्मार्ट symbol mapping system will automatically identify the symbol name and symbol vendor, and it will automatically pass the signal to the buyers. So suppose if I am trading with AmiBroker and my data vendor is True Data, I will select True Data. If my data vendor is Valvenet, I will select Valvenet. So as of now, say if it is True Data, I can select True Data. Now the last part is order type. Whether I need to trade in limit or I need to trade in market, or could be SL limit or SL market. So if I wish to trade in limit or market, I can choose any other. Like if I choose market, that means my signal could be my trade would be in market order or limit order. So this is the basic system. Now we can see another option here. It is quantity from stop loss. What does it mean? Quantity from stop loss mean if your signal is sending the entry price along with your risk amount. Suppose you are trading in say SBIN, the stock is running around 300 rupees and your each trade risk is say 2 rupees or 1 rupees, whatever. So आपके AmiBroker को you need to configure your AFL, you need to configure your MQL or in TradingView script so that it can send price along with the risk amount, exactly the risk amount, not the price, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, whatever. So if you enable this, you can trade I will show you in daily settings page that if you enable this quantity with stop loss, you can trade with quantity with stop loss. That means suppose if your risk per trade is 500 rupees, suppose now you don't wish to lose more than 500 rupees per trade. And if you enable this quantity with stop loss, and if your stop loss is 5 point or 2 point, whatever, and if your total risk is 500 rupees, it will buy 250 stocks for you. If your risk is 2 rupees, if your risk is 5 rupees, it will buy 100 stocks for you. We will definitely set up in this daily settings page. As of now, say it is market and I am not selecting this quantity stop loss. So whenever you create this strategy, you will get this kind of listing here. For today's demonstration, I have already made an strategy named Alphire's demo, and I can show you the configuration of this strategy. see, it is NSE, it is MIS, it is, I am, for now I am using ValveNet data, and my order type is market. So now it is visible in my here. So it is the fire zone. Now my strategy is quantity with exposure. So I need to mention my exposure like 10,000, 5,000, because it is not quantity with stop loss. It is quantity from exposure. That means if your signal is coming with say the stock price is 300 rupees, or say the stock price is 500 rupees, it will divide this 10,000 by 500 or 10,000 by 300, and the number, this will be my this is my stock count, stock say quantity. So if my signal is coming with 1,000 rupees price and my exposure is 10,000 rupees, it will actually send signal with 10 quantity of whether the symbol name, अगर symbol कुछ भी है, उसके प्राइस अगर 10,000 1,000 आ रहा है और मेरा एक्सपोजर अगर 10,000 है, तो ये 10 क्वांटिटी का ही ऑर्डर भेजेगा. ये है क्वांटिटी विद एक्सपोजर. हम लोग ये क्वांटिटी विद एक्सपोजर और क्वांटिटी विद स्टॉप लॉस इसको और भी बाद में जाके डिटेल्स में सिखा सकते हैं और कोई वेबिनार में. तो ये रिस्क मैनेजमेंट की पार्ट है, मनी मैनेजमेंट की पार्ट है. नाउ देयर इज द अनदर थिंग इज मैक्स प्रॉफिट एंड मैक्स लॉस. व्हाट इज दिस मैक्स प्रॉफिट एंड मैक्स लॉस? सपोज इन योर स्ट्रेटेजी यू आर ट्रेडिंग विद से 100 स्टॉक्स. आपके 100 स्टॉक्स में किसी भी स्टॉक्स में कभी भी ट्रेड आ सकता है, और आपने डिसाइड किया, आपने एल्गोसिस को ये बता दिया कि आई एम हैप्पी विद 2,000 रुपीज एज प्रॉफिट. मतलब मेरे कितने भी स्टॉक्स में ट्रेड चल रहा है इससे कोई मतलब नहीं. if my MTM is crossing 2,000, that means I am running with profit of 2,000. It will automatically square up your entire positions. It will automatically stop your trading. That means Algosis will no more receive any signal from that particular strategy because your appetite is full. आपने 2,000 की max loss लगाया था, max profit लगाया था. Same way you can put say 1,000 rupees as max loss. So whenever your MTM is running with 1,000 rupees loss, it will automatically square up your position and stop the trading automatically. It will not receive any further signal. अगर आपके एमी ब्रोकर से सिग्नल चालू भी है, if एमी ब्रोकर is still sending signal, Algosis will automatically stop receiving the signal. It will not trade further. So this is the basic and simplest setup in our daily setting page. आपको ये एक ही बार करके रखना है. डेली ये सेटअप की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपको नहीं करना है तो आप एक ही बार करके रख लीजिए. नाउ इट इज द टाइम ऑफ योर एंट्री ऑर्डर टाइप. इफ यू विश टू ट्रेड इन लिमिट ऑर्डर और मार्केट ऑर्डर, सिलेक्ट लिमिट और सिलेक्ट मार्केट एंड क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग. व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग, you need to click on OK, and now your trading is ready. It is started. Now अगर आपके कोई सिग्नल एमी ब्रोकर या MT4 कोई भी चार्टिंग टूल से है, ये ऑटोमेटिकली ट्रेड कर देगा. बट कीप वन थिंग इन माइंड, दिस स्ट्रेटेजी इज मेड फॉर NSE. सो अगर आपने निफ्टी के फ्यूचर में सिग्नल सेंड कर दी, इफ यू आर सेंडिंग एनी सिग्नल्स विद निफ्टी फ्यूचर, बैंक निफ्टी फ्यूचर और एनी ऑप्शन, दिस स्ट्रेटेजी विल नॉट वर्क बिकॉज आई मेड दिस स्ट्रेटेजी फॉर ओनली NSE, ओनली इक्विटी टाइप. सो कीप इट इन माइंड दैट your एमी ब्रोकर सेटअप शुड बी प्रॉपर. अगर वहीं पर आपने कुछ गड़बड़ करते, इट विल नॉट ट्रेड. ओके, सो मेरा ये डेली सेटअप रेडी है, मेरा स्ट्रेटेजी मैनेजमेंट रेडी है. नाउ हियर इज माय पोजीशन पेज वेयर आई कैन सी ऑल ऑफ माय रनिंग पोजीशंस. अगर कोई भी ट्रेड आपके हो गया सक्सेसफुली, यू विल गेट ऑल दिस ट्रेड हियर विद लाइव MTM. कोई भी ट्रेड में, कोई भी स्टॉक्स में जो भी प्रॉफिट चल रहा है, वो स्ट्रेटेजी वाइज एंड स्टॉक वाइज आप उसके MTM यहाँ पर देख पाएंगे. नाउ इट इज माय ऑर्डर बुक. अगर मैंने कोई और, जैसे आज मैंने काफी सारा टेस्टिंग किया था, तो उसका मेरे को यहाँ पर ऑर्डर बुक मेरे को यहाँ पर दिख रहा है. मैंने कोई भी अगर सिग्नल सेंड करके, ये मेरा काल की कुछ ऑर्डर बुक दिख रहा है एक्चुअली, तो मैंने कुछ टेस्टिंग किया था, उसके मेरे को ऑर्डर बुक ऐसा इस टाइप की दिखेगा. नाउ इट इज माय अलर्ट सेक्शन. अलर्ट सेक्शंस मींस दिन भर जो भी सिग्नल्स आई विल गेट फ्रॉम माय एमी ब्रोकर और आई विल गेट फ्रॉम माय MT4, आई कैन सी व्हाट इज कमिंग, what is the alert type, what is the alert name, what is the symbol name, what is the entry price, मैंने को alert कब मिला, alert time. So this is my strategy code, this is my symbol name, this is my symbol trade type, whether it is long entry or short entry or long exit or short exit. किस price में, in which price I got the trade, what was the stop loss price and alert time. So this is for your reviewing purpose. आपको अगर ये चेक करना है, like kind of paper, not paper trading, but yes, you can get your alerts here. आपको चेक करना है कि कौन सा सिग्नल कब आ रहा है, तो ये आपको एमी ब्रोकर से जैसे जैसे सिग्नल आएगा यहाँ पर दिख जाएगा. अभी इसमें और एक फीचर्स में मैं भी आता हूँ. ये फीचर्स बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, जो है स्पॉट और इंडेक्स टू ऑप्शन और फ्यूचर टू ऑप्शन. मतलब इफ यू विश टू ट्रेड इन ऑप्शंस but you have strategy built on future, or built on index. You can convert this signal using Algosys, a smart feature called, if I change the strategy type to NFO, I will get another option here. Trade in option based on index or future alerts. अगर आपके alerts future or index पे आ रहा है, it will automatically convert this alert into options. How? If I enable this, suppose I am enabling this feature here and click on save. Now I need to come to the option mapping. It is very simple. Suppose in option mapping, this is my what I need to do. I need to click on create new mapping. For as of now, I am deleting all the existing mapping so that yes, now I need to create new mapping. When I click on create new mapping, it will ask for the strategy name. As of now, my strategy name is FA0760_6. Now I wish to trade in Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty. As of now, you can convert your signals from future to option or index to option. So we have 3 index here: Bank Nifty, Nifty, and Fin Nifty. So suppose if my signal is from Bank Nifty, what I need to do? If the signal comes with LE, if the signal is long entry, I need to buy what? I need to buy a call. Call means weekly call or monthly call. If I select weekly call, so whenever I get any signal from this strategy on Bank Nifty with long entry signal, then I need to buy a call in weekly, and my call should be in the money. If it is in the money, I will put -1. If it is at the money, I will put 0. If it is out of the money, I will put 1. So if I wish to convert my future or spot signal into ATM, OTM, or ITM, I need to mention the strike difference. For Bank Nifty, if I used to trade 1 strike below, I need to trade in ITM, it should be -1. If it is 2 strike below ITM, I will put is -2 or +2. If I keep it 0, it will trade in ATM. Clear? And I need to save it. So from my strategy tag, if it is Bank Nifty, if it is long entry, it will buy a call. It should be weekly call in ATM. In the same way, I need to map my sell signal also, short signal also. If it is this strategy and I am getting signal in Bank Nifty and the signal is short entry, I need to buy. Here you can decide whether for signal you need to buy a stock, buy an option, or you need to write an option. You can mention here. If we wish to a buy only setup, that means if it is a buy entry, you need to buy a call. If it is a short entry, you need to buy a put. So I need to buy a put. I need to select PE. It should be weekly. You can choose weekly and monthly, whatever you want. So it is weekly. Now my distance, I can keep it as 0 if I want to trade in ATM. If I wish to trade in ITM, I need to write 1, not -1. For put, my ITM will be +1, and for my OTM will be -1. So if I wish to trade in ATM, I will put 0 for put. If I wish to trade in ITM, I will put -1. If I wish to trade in OTM, I will put 1. So now, as of now, I am creating as 0. Now, yeah, okay, save ho gaya. That means whenever I get any signal in Bank Nifty short entry, I will buy a put. It should be weekly and it should be ATM. So एक basic आपको मैं demonstration दे दिया how you can convert your existing signal, existing Bank Nifty, Nifty and Fin Nifty signal, say from spot, from future to option. Now you can do the same thing with AmiPoker, with MT4, or with TradingView also, with Excel, whatever. Suppose in TradingView, we know that in TradingView there is no option script. In आप TradingView में option में trade नहीं कर सकते. But you can convert your existing spot and future signal into options inside the Algosys. इसके लिए आपके कोई कोडिंग नॉलेज की जरूरत नहीं, कोई भी ऐसा कोई भी प्रोग्रामिंग की जरूरत नहीं. Just in to send the signal, Algosys will automatically convert their signal into option. So ये हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म की एक बेसिक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन मैं आपको शो कर दिया यहाँ पर. और कोई भी होल्डिंग्स, अगर आपके कोई भी पोजीशन होल्डिंग्स पे है तो आपके होल्डिंग्स पे दिखेगा. कोई भी पोजीशन अगर आपके रनिंग चल रहा है तो पोजीशन बुक में दिखेगा, और इसमें बगल पे आपके क्रॉस बटन भी दिखेगा. सपोज यू आर इनटू ए ट्रेड और इस ट्रेड अभी चल रहा है और आपको मैनुअली इस ट्रेड से एग्जिट करना है, यू विल गेट अ क्रॉस बटन बिसाइड एवरी सिंबल. So अब अगर आपको स्ट्रेट से निकालना है, you need to click on that cross button, it will automatically exit your position. So आपके ब्रोकर टर्मिनल में जाने की भी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to go, you don't need to open your broker terminal to manage your trades. You can manage, you can exit from any position from here. So ये Algosys एक standalone software है, standalone platform है. To manage your trade, you don't need to go to your broker terminal. You can do whatever you want. So now it is the time to show you how we can trade from एमी ब्रोकर. मैं आपकी एमी ब्रोकर की एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. एज ऑफ नाउ मैंने सिंबल को, इस स्ट्रेटजी को चेंज किया था ऑप्शंस के दिखाने के लिए. तो मैं इसके एनएफओ से अभी एनएससी में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ. मेरा डेटा वेंडर अभी वैल्वनेट है एंड सेव इट. नाउ आई विल शो यू माय एमी ब्रोकर. हियर इज माय एमी ब्रोकर प्लेटफॉर्म. Now I have some strategy. आप कोई भी strategy को, एमी ब्रोकर की कोई भी strategy को you can automate. Any strategy you can automate. We have WhatsApp support where if you type एमी broker, you will get automatically the support, the details about how to integrate एमी broker with Algosys. And जो भी आपकी samples code की जरूरत होगा, whatever the sample code you need, you will get from our WhatsApp support. So as of now, it is integrated already with the एमी broker. But in properties page, here I need to put my strategy tag. This is the tag I am getting from my Algosys interface. See, this is the tag. Algosys need to identify the signal for what, for किसके लिए signal आ रहा है, किसको trade करने signal से. So you need to mention the proper strategy tag in the एमी broker or in the charting platform. Otherwise, it will not identify the signal for whom it should be traded, and ये आपके trade नहीं करेगा. So you need to put your strategy code into your एमी broker or your charting platform. आपके जो strategy की जो programming होगा, उसको उसी ढंग से बनाना है ताकि वो Algosys के साथ कनेक्ट करे. For that you can take help of us. हम लोग आपको कोडिंग करके दे सकते हैं. We can have our coding services. So whatever you strategy in your mind, you do it manually. We can code it for you. We can make it compatible with Algosys so that you can easily trade without any hassles and with peace of mind. So this is my strategy code, and now if I click on OK. Now today's market is closed, so आपको demo दिखाना, तो we can do some bar replay. Suppose if I do a bar replay here, let I try to use SBIN. So it is SBIN. By the way, I am using here Valvenet software, the base RDF. So my symbol format, whatever the symbol name I am getting here, it is already automatically mapped by Algosys. So देखिए मैंने यहाँ पर Valvenet को select करके रखा है. You need to choose the proper order, vendor name. Otherwise, यहाँ पर कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकता है. You need to select the proper vendor name. So it is Valvenet. Now I can show you my alert window first. It's the last signal I got in from Adani interface. So whatever I got signal, I can see here. See, in एमी broker, I will run a bar replay, and I can choose say Friday. Is it correct? Yes. And let me play. Sorry, I think I made some mistakes here. Yes, it is running. Let's wait for some signal. Yeah, there is a signal. I got a signal in SBIN. Let me check whether the signal is to the Algosys. Yes, it is there. So I got my signal here. So if today's market is closed, so in order book it should be I think today file will not accept any order. So you will not see any order reflection in order book, but definitely in your alert there is an SBI AC, and this is mean that is short entry, and automatically whenever there is a short exit, if I fast forward this, it is close to the target. Expecting some short exit here. Yes, we got A6. It is timeout actually. Market over ho gaya, so we got the A6 order, and definitely if we where it is, yes, A6 is there. So it is very simple. Amit broker में आपके जैसे there is a signal, it will automatically reach to our server and automatically process your trade according to your daily settings. So this is the basic and simple overview of this Algosys. Now I will show you the option, future or spot to option, how it can work with your spot to option or future to option. So Samrat, hello Samrat, hello. Hello.
Sorry, I took some time unmuting and typing in the chat. Yeah, tell me.
Okay. So should we show the process of this option mapping, option future to option or spot to option, or we can show it some later time?
Yeah, maybe we are running out of time. So probably I have been answering queries repeatedly in the chat. तो बहुत सारे लोगों का कहना ये था कि कैसे एक्सेल में कैसे करते हैं, ट्रेडिंग व्यू में कैसे करते हैं, ये देखना. So maybe what we can do is, I hope you all got a gist, you know, like what we are supposed to do, how it is done. We can come up with one more session definitely. I mean, this session is not yet over. We are going ahead with this. अगला सेशन में हम लोग दिखाएंगे आप लोगों को कैसे एक्सेल यूज करके, ट्रेडिंग व्यू यूज करके आप एल्गोसिस को इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हो. Because in one session we will not be able to accommodate everything. It will be a little time taking. That's why. So Ashish, thanks for this demo that you have given. Okay, and so I will just share my screen now and take it ahead from here. Okay, so is my screen up? Ashita, please stop sharing your screen so that I can share mine. Great. Great. Okay, so I was busy answering your questions, and I hope I am able to answer most of the questions that came so far. In case if I could not answer some of your questions, please feel free to reach us. Okay. There are repeated questions that I was seeing that is coming is people are not able to get the email. Kindly check your spam mailbox. You will be getting the email in the spam mailbox. In case if you are not seeing it in the spam mailbox, it might be the reason that you have already registered with Algosys. अगर आपने पहले से Algosys में registered है, तो in that case आपको दोबारा एक fresh email ID, एक fresh email password use करके login करना पड़ेगा. So this is that page which is algosys.co.in/fires. आपको यहाँ जाना पड़ेगा. यहाँ जाके सबसे पहले तो आपको register करने के बाद आने के बाद you have to click on this trial. In my case, you are seeing here as trial expire. So if you are a fresh user, you are seeing it for the first time. आप जैसे इस पे click करोगे, you will see activate trial बोल के. And the moment you click over here, you will be able to, you know, like get the trial activated in your screen. So that's just one thing that I wanted to, you know, like call out, which could be helpful for you. Now, going ahead with this presentation, I want to invite our technology director, Mr. Nitin. You all know, most of you must be knowing Mr. Nitin Kapoor, because whoever is very, very active in the FHIRS API discussion group, they know him by name and by face at times, and he always keeps addressing your queries. So what is the technology behind this whole algosis? There is just a simple one slide in which Mr. Nitin will be explaining it to you in a nutshell. So Nitinji, over to you.
Okay, thank you, Samrat. Good evening, everyone. Yes. Okay, so whoever is more interested in the technology part, that okay, how we have developed this whole system, so it will be for those. So I'll not cover whatever Ashish has already covered, like how we create strategy, how we trade with different strategy and all those. So features and all those things, I think that Ashish has already covered. Uh, and as Samrat was telling you that okay, I'm means I try to help anyone who is just trying to use API, especially FHIRS API, and they are stuck somewhere, because I think that I started using FHIRS API maybe when they have this version 1. So we have gone through the whole development process of version 1, then we upgraded to it their version 2. And I have a lot of interaction with FHIRS also on their API. So I really understand their API very well. So that's why I just take a lead replying to anyone on, especially the questions which you have on their API. I never try to market our product or tell anyone that okay, I'm involved in the development of this product. But now everyone of you know about that. But still, I'm very open, and I'll be open to help anyone who is doing or who wants to develop their whole own system using FHIRS API, and they are stuck somewhere, or they want to take guidance or any kind of help. With that, so what we have done is that, as you know, that like if you see FHIRS API, so we are just using their REST API. We are not using any library of FHIRS, but we are using their REST API calls. And on top of that, we are using those REST API calls using our .NET Core 2.0. So that .NET Core we have used to develop the system, and we have used a C# in developing the code. It is in Embassy, so we have model view controller. Whatever screens you see, so we have used HTML framework and all that kind of stuff in developing the, you can see various screens. The database is MySQL, so we don't store anything which FHIRS has, like your FHIRS access details and all that. But what we do is that when you just log in into, like we provide you login to Algosys, so we just keep your those access details stored in our database. And then when you do a login to FHIRS, at that time you have seen, so what we get is something called access token, which is stored in the database for your session. So when you just send or you receive any strategy code where you have to place a trade via Algosys, so it uses that access token and places the order on your behalf in FHIRS. Then I think that Ashish hasn't shown you the whole thing, but then there are different pages on Algosys, like you have an order book page, you have a position page. So those are different calls which you use when you go to like a position page. So at that page, we make a position API call and show you the live position with profit and loss, whatever you are gaining. And when you have set up a max profit or loss, so it just compares that as soon as you have exceeded that whatever maximum profit or loss you have configured, so it just exits all those things. So in all those things, we have these APIs used which are provided by FHIRS. In addition to that, we have a scheduler service, which is again developed in .NET Core 2.0 only. So what it does is that it just keeps checking your position, that whatever is your current position and whatever whatever loss or profit you have configured. So that's why we make regular calls to their position API call and get the real-time position or your profit MTM, you can say, and based on that one we just that. So that is how actually we have developed the system. Yeah, that is from my side. And in the end, any question answer session, if anyone has any question about like technology, then they can ask, or in that group, every time you are free to ask anything. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nitinji. Now, with this, I would like to invite Mr. Mandar, and he is going to address the most interesting questions that probably would have come up in the chat. Definitely on the pricing part, definitely how is it different? Because that's what I'm understanding from here, and who is it for? So over to you, Mandarji.
Thank you, Samrat. Good afternoon, everybody. As you can see, the slide is in front of you, and this is what I was trying to
Hello,
convey.
Samrat.
Hello.
I think there is a question coming up. Is it sure?
Don't know. There was some.
I will request you all to please type in the question if there, and I will try to address
Okay.
questions.
See, guys. Okay, let me start. Please understand that why.
Hello, Samrat, are you there? I think your voice is not audible to us.
I can. I think this is Mandar. I think you can hear me. Please, can anybody confirm that in the chat? That can you hear Mandar?
Yes, Manda, we can hear you, as well as we can hear the Samrat as well. Okay, so you can go ahead. Okay.
Thank you. Sorry for the disturbance. Technology always, as Samrat rightly said, 99% of the time, technology, helps us. But 1% we have to keep ourselves in check. And that's why even AI doesn't replace this human being. Okay. So, who is it for? Now, as I said, Algos is, many people asked, is it just an API breach? If you look at it, it is how the perspective is. Okay. Is it an API breach? Yes, certainly it is an API breach. Anything which connects a smart signal generating software with a broker terminal is called an API breach. So obviously it is just another API breach. But then what is special? Why Algosys? What is special? What is this? What is that we are harping so much on? Why we have took your 1 hour, 1 precious hour to listen to us? Because we feel that Algosys is an integrated system, which is the most simplest system which one can experience from a user perspective. You can ask anybody who is willing to do a trading with help of technology and who doesn't have much of a knowledge, and ask them to go through this Algosys pages as user interface, and I'm very sure within a couple of hours he will understand all the functionalities of the Algosys page from a user's perspective. Now, question is whether, if it is very simple, then is it feature rich? Like, as I said, who is it for? For seasoned trader. Seasoned trader will always look for whether there are features available in the system. Ye hai kya, wo hai kya? There are many things available. Okay. So in Algosys, whatever are required to be doing a proper season trading, all these things are available. You can experience all of them once you take the trial for 7 days. And if there are anything more, we are always, willing to receive your feedback. What is there for strategy followers? As I said, that there are many people who are not really interested to look into the technicalities, or who don't have time to look into the technicalities of the running market. But there are seasoned traders who can help them. So if you are an authorized, registered investment advisor, or you have the facility or the authentication to provide this what do you call as a tips, or sharing of the calls, you can share it along with the strategy followers. Now these strategy followers, supposingly you are a strategy follower, You don't have your own strategy, but you have a strategy from a person XYZ. Okay, now this XYZ person is sitting at his end and sending you a signal which is to be traded in your account with help of Algosys. What you need is just a mobile. You don't require a computer. You don't require a internet. You don't require a data connection. You don't require electricity. You effectively don't require anything. You just need a mobile with internet. Okay. How much time? Ideally speaking, only for 2 to 3 minutes in a day. Why? Just to do a login before the market hours and some simple daily settings which you should start before the market hours. After that, do you need to look into all this? Technically, no. Technically, no. You need not look into Algosys. You need not look into your trading account. If you wish to, definitely. Whether you should, definitely yes, you should, because it's all your hard-earned money which is getting traded over there automatically with help of technology. But effectively, your cost of following this signal for a strategy follower is just the cost of the platform, nothing else. Okay, so this is what is for strategy followers. For strategists, there are many people who have good strategies, good hit rate, good less drawdown, good beta ratio, all technical jargons. But what is the use if you are not giving those strategies to others and let not others also use it for earning money just like you are earning? We invite you. We are building a marketplace wherein all such strategies can empanel their strategy with their name. We will not have anything. We are going to be just a platform, a common marketplace provider wherein all such strategies can come. They can enlist, empanel their strategy with their name, with the details, and there may be many strategy followers who wish to receive that particular strategy signals into their account. So that is possible with Algosys. Registered investment advisor, you want to build a portfolio, you want to manage a portfolio, yes, it is possible with Algosys. Please contact us and let us have all the details shared together. We can have good business propositions for mutual benefit, as well as which will benefit to the ultimate client also. Bulk buyers, you may be having already a set of people who are following you for your manual research sharing, but they may not be able to grasp 100% of your signals or 100% of your advisory, because they may be busy in something. They might have lost that time, the critical time to enter or exit. So the theoretical performance which you are indicating as a strategist is not matching with your followers on the practical ground. Algosys can help you in that. Instead of sending a telegram message, boss, my advice is buy this particular share at this particular price, you send it across through the Algosys, let it reach to the client directly, and client just has to accept it for his trading as per his willingness. All the money management and everything is being taken care, preloaded into Algosys. Isn't it more beneficial that just looking at a telegram message or a WhatsApp message and then working out in that haste of live market? अरे मेरा छूट गया, ये तो प्राइस निकल गया, अरे मैं तो फोन पे था, मैं तो मीटिंग में था, XYZ. So Algosys is a tool. It's a software which can help you in taking out your nitty-gritties. We are inviting all the affiliate partners also. If you want to get associated with Algosys and push it across, we are currently already we are in talks with two of the leading data vendors, one for AmiBroker, one for MT4 specifically. We are going to conclude with them an association, so we with Algosys, you can get an integrated solution. If you want a API bridge, Algosys is there. If you want a VPS, that is a machine on the internet which runs without any electricity and internet. Okay, so that VPS is available with us. If you want a data, very soon you will be having all the leading data providers with Algosys. So it's an integrated one-stop shop for all of your algo needs. Okay. Then coders, definitely. This is one area we take pride in saying that in last 6 months, we have delivered almost 400 codes to various people. Just like you said that you are strategists, 76% said that you have your own strategy and trade on basis of that. Please come to us. We will try to code it at the best possible market beating rate. If there is anyone in this forum currently who is a coder himself, it can be a AFL coder, TradingView coder, MT4 coder, please contact us. We can have some business proposition on this because we are already overloaded with the coding request which we are getting. We can definitely share some of our burden with you, provided you stand up with the quality with which we are providing. Learners, definitely use the 7-day activity period, trial period. Try to learn how the signals are going through. Try to see the strategy, how it is faring in the live market. No need of a paper trading. Why to do paper trading? Get the AFL coded or get the code done into TradingView or in Excel or in Python, whatever is your comfortable software. Okay, get it live, get it run live along with Algosys for 7 days. See if the signals are correctly coming as per the logic which you feel. अगर आपको लगता है सुपर ट्रेंड क्रॉस होने के बाद में यहाँ पे मुझे बाय होना है, then Algosys also has to show that once the super trend is crossed in AmiBroker, AmiBroker is generating a signal which is coming to Algosys. Algosys is buying on its own. Okay, that signal verification you can do within these 7 days. You can trade also within these 7 days. If you connect it with your account, you can trade on basis of those those signals. Take very small quantity and just, these are called as test signals. You can check it. You can check the authenticity of your AFL properly, and once you are satisfied, then you can move on for paid subscription, wherein the interface is very, very simple. The basic essence of Algosys is a robust, in-house developed, made in such a way that you get a required features inbuilt inside, but all of this with a sense of simplicity. As a user, you will not feel that the interface is very complex. That is what is, we have designed this system considering that into the mind. Samrat, next slide, please. So this is all what is going on and how we are different. This is what I was explaining, that you can take a 7 days trial period. You can take all your live signals. Then as a part of this particular webinar, we are going to provide you the live signals for the observation purpose into the Telegram channel, which we have sent the link. You can observe how the trial signals are going on. You can verify them into the live market. Then get all your algo trading at one place. As I explained already, you get a VPS. You get a VPS in Mumbai data center, which is very different. Okay, those who knows the technicalities of VPS, once they coordinate with us, they will understand the rate at which, the price at which we are selling this particular VPS is one of the market beating prices. Okay, you can get a VPS which is lower than the price which we are quoting, but definitely not with the configuration and not with the location preference which we are giving you. Then, as I said, coding also at the optimum price in the market beating price. So this is all what we have. Samrat, next slide, please. Now the first question which came into the chat right at 3:10, 3:15. What is the cost? The cost of Algosys subscription. This is without any strategy. Okay, we are not selling any strategy as of now. Strategy is sold at a different platform. So please talk to us if you want a strategy from us, a strategy signal from us. You are most welcome to code your strategy, your own strategy. You are most welcome if you want to follow anybody else's strategy through Algosys. You are most welcome if you want to empanel your strategy to be followed by n number of people. All these is possible with Algosys. There is something for each and every one of you in Algosys. Okay, so the subscription rate is rupees 1,000 for 1 month, but as this is a Fires specific webinar, Fires has provided us a subsidy with a coupon code of Fires20, and that subsidy of 20% cashback is given if you use this if you use this coupon code and subscribe to Algosys. Okay, so effectively you will be getting Algosys subscription at rupees 800. We thank you, Fires, for providing this particular subsidy and encouraging all the people who are trading with their all these sweating things into and converting using the technology, using the digitization for the benefit of the trading. So thank you, Fires, for that. And we extend that particular subsidy which is given by Fires directly to the user. So you can take at 800 rupees for 1 month. Okay, that's all from my side. I hand it over back to Samrat.
Thanks, Mandaji.
Please carry on.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
So guys, I was trying to answer to most of the questions in chat. There are various repeated questions that is coming, and I can see the excitement in through the chat to you. Although आमने सामने अगर होता, अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता तो ये सेशन शायद ऐसे नहीं होता. ये सेशन शायद एक रूम में होता, ऑडिटोरियम में होता, जहां पर हम लोग और बात करते. बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ. इट्स ओके, इट्स इन लॉकडाउन, वी आर डूइंग इट इन आवर स्क्रीन. But I can still feel the excitement that is going on in your mind, and you can see, and I'm really, really very happy to see this. Please join our channel, the Telegram channel, जो link मैंने बार-बार repeatedly ping किया है, एक बार फिर से मैं आपको ping कर दूंगा. उस channel पे अगर आप join करते हो, you will get a feeling of what is there and what is not there. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखते हो, everything we are trying to guide you step by step, जहाँ पर आप बहुत आसानी से explore कर सकोगे. It will act like a documentation for you in itself, जहां पर आपको दोबारा किसी से कुछ पूछना भी नहीं पड़ेगा. And definitely I would like to thank the whole Fires team for being with us. It has been a journey of more than 1 year which we took to come up with such a platform. And one question I would like to answer, because that question is again coming repeatedly in the chat, that how is it different from any other platform. अभी देखिए दोस्तों, platforms तो बहुत सारे हैं, ठीक है. Every platform is good in its own way. Every platform has a different uniqueness in its own. Our uniqueness is our simplicity. अगर आपने देखा होगा, यहाँ पर हम लोग इस चीज को इतना सिंप्लीफाइड कर दिया है जहां पर लोगों को कुछ करने की जरूरत ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल है. लोगों को जितना कम जार्गन्स यूज करना है, कम टेक्निकलिटीज यूज करना है करके लोग अगर कर सकता है, दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव केप्ट इन माइंड. या डेफिनेटली सर्टेन थिंग्स विल बी देयर, लाइक मार्केट ऑर्डर किसको कहते हैं, लिमिट ऑर्डर किसको कहते हैं. दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट यू मस्ट बी नोइंग. एटीएम, ओटीएम, आईटीएम क्या होता है, you should be knowing. So if you are trading in an option, you should be knowing those. So that is the basic hygiene in place. That is the basic knowledge you have to have. उसके आगे जाके जो करना है, whatever is there, that is the that is the thing that we are trying to build in over here. We try to make it as simple as possible so that it appeals to the user who is a retail trader. At the same time, it appeals to a person who is a strategist as well. जो strategist है, जो registered investment advisors है, जिनके साथ 100, 200, 500, 1000 लोग trade करते हैं. So if they can convey this simplified tool to their client, it will be easy for them also. So that is the objective of Algosys, and that's we are. So thanks to FIRES for extending this 20% subsidy to all each and every users, and whoever will be using this code FIRES 20 will be getting this. So that's all from my end. Over to you, Shubham.
Well,
Samrat,
thanks Samrat, and thanks Algosys team. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I think Ashish wanted to say something.
Yes, Samrat. So I will ask all the panel or the joinees so that they can contact us through our WhatsApp number, because someone is they are saying that they are not getting email or they are not able to register or whatever. So we have some email limitations, per hour email limitations. So we have already exceeded that. So you can try after some hour. So it will automatically, you will get the registration, you will get the everything in your mail. But if still you are getting any issues, just get back to us in our WhatsApp number. We have already shared the number with you in this chat. So just WhatsApp in whatever you are getting issues. If you want to integrate integration related questions or registration related questions, whatever, just ask us on WhatsApp and you will get your reply instantly. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your overwhelming response, friends. So here is a link. Please join. That's it. Wish you all a very happy learning and happy trading and a happy weekend. Be safe. Stay safe.
Thank you. Thank you all.